this one is a brown switch. Now this is an RGB keyboard, so I just want to show you how it works. So you can just press this one, function, and then the light switch, which is this one, to enable the light. As you can see, now you can just press the light to show the different settings. Now let's turn off the light of the let's turn off the light inside the room so you can see how it looks like. So this is how it looks like inside the dark room. Yeah, you can just press this one. Nice, right? There's a lot of options. So guys, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and also don't forget to like and also to subscribe to my channel, and also please don't forget to watch out for my upcoming videos. I'll see you on my next video. God bless.